In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to review your network data usage on your Dell laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up the search menu and type in settings. Best result should come back with settings. Go ahead and select that. Select network and internet on the left panel. And then on the right side, you want to go down and select advanced network settings. Where it says data usage underneath more settings, go ahead and select that. And this will give you a breakdown of your processes that use the most amount of data within the last 30 days. You can also enter in a data limit up here at the top if you want. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.